Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. I, Wahida Sultana, teacher of class 3, sector 7. So I think all of you are stay at your home and take your preparation properly. Am I right? So today our topic. So welcome to our English class. Today we are going to discuss about form fill up. Learning points. Form fill up. To help the student to learn about form fill up, complete the exercise by using the structure. Complete any types of form. Before going to the form, at first, I know student you may admit an art, music class, debate class, swimming club, and when you admitted over there, office provide you a form. And for writing about your information, that page is known as form. So let us know some more form. First one, admission form. Already I tell admission form, where whatever you want to admit any institution, you need to fill up the form for the admission. And second number, membership form. If you want to be a member of any institution like our room, like any shopping mall, like that is Shopno, like the form, and they also provide you the form as a, if you want to a member, so you must fill up that form, and after fill up that form, then you will be a member of that institution. Now, sometimes you go to the bank with your parents, so that time your parents collect the money from there. Do you know? Your parents also collect the money from there. At first they need to open their account through the following the form. That means they fill up the form and open the account. Then the procedure is going on. Then personal information form. Already you know the personal information form. I will show you. Look, in your diary, the front page, there already you fill up that page. Look here, I will show you. Here already, look here, name, code, class, section, and your parents information and your present address. All the things are written here, and you already fill up this one by yourself. So already you know this one, how we will fill up the form, because we have completed the form in our first term syllabus also. That times also we discuss about how we will fill up the form, but still now you are doing the common mistakes. So be careful today. When I will discuss, please be careful for the every point whatever I discuss today, and inshallah after my discussion I think you will complete the form so nicely and there will be no mistake. Clear? Okay. So the next point, that is about the next one, we are talking about the form fill up. So today we are going to discuss first the form fill up. So first, look here, the question is, suppose you are a student of class 3, you want to take a part in an art competition. Now fill up the following form. So look, today our topic is about a part, and look here, I will show you. Here the part is an art competition. So whatever we are going to discuss here, remember our topic is today an art competition. So be careful, whatever the question will come, at first read the question properly. Clear, all of you? So today our form fill up is about an art competition. So look the next slide. Look here, let's see the form, how it's look. Look the form fill up. First there should be the caption. Caption is first, we talk about the art competition. So here look, the caption is about art competition, and then the institution name, Milestone Preparatory KG School. So when you will write, you must remember it. At first you need to write the caption first. Then after that, look here, I mention here, that is the portion of this art competition. So whatever we are talking about the art competition, remember it. First we will do the form fill up, the caption part. Remember it? At first we will complete this part, that is the caption part. Clear? So when we are talking about the form fill up, we must write the caption first. Next one, about name. So when you will write the name, look here, name, father's name, mother's name, address, date of birth, all the things at first you need to write. Then look here, there is the colon sign. So when you will write the colon, be careful, the colon should be straight. Look here, the colon should be straight like this way. Clear, all of you? So when you will write that form, you must be careful about the colon sign. And here look, there is a photo. So when you will write the photo, I tell about the photo. So when you will write the photo, be careful. No need to paste the photo in your answer script, because the question will, when the question will come, you need to write that answer in your answer script, and that time you just write the answer in your, that means fill up the form in your answer script. So no need to paste the photo over there. Clear, all of you? Now look the next one, that is name. When you will write the name, be careful, you must write your full name. Most of the time I observed you just write your nickname. Please don't do it. Clear? Be careful. Always you will write the full name, then father's name. So here also you must be careful about the name, that means your father's full name, and mother's name. When you will write the name, your mother's name should be full. And now come to the next point about address. When you will write the address, remember it. Most of the time, look here, I will show you. When you will write the address, look here, I mention here, when you will write the address, be careful about the spelling. Clear? Address, we must write address spelling correctly. ADDRESS. Like this way, after writing, you match with the question, is this okay or not? So be careful about the spelling. So when you will write the address, you must write your full address. Then date of birth. Date of birth also you need to write the full, like your full date of birth. Then class, which class you reading? Now you are in student of class 3, so you write here class 3. And date, when you will write the date, you must write the date. Today I fill up the form, so I give the date, today's one. Be careful about date, and when you will write the date, you must write the full. Clear? I will show you. Wait. Then signature. Here I need to tell you another important thing. When you will write the signature, please don't give the sign like your teacher. Always try to give the name, because you are a student. Clear? So you must give the name here. Clear, all of you? So this is the actually the form, whatever the format is like that. Clear, all of you? So when you will write the form, be careful. You must fill up the form or write all the information in proper way. Clear, all of you? Okay. Now I will show you how we will fill up the form. First I tell you, first we need to write the caption. So from where we will start the caption? Look, here the first one, I start the caption here in the middle, not in the border side. That means where I give the scaling. Please don't do it. Then after this line, that means art competition, I start the milestone, that means institution from here. So milestone preparatory KG school, I start from second line from here. So when you will write, please be careful about this. Clear? So when you will write, you just follow the format, and in which way the format you must write and follow in this way. Clear, all of you? Then the next part. Look. Name. I already tell about the name. So when you will write the name, so you must write the full name. So suppose already I write, that means your name. So whatever your name, you fill up the full name. Name Tarin Ahmed. So here write the full name. You also write like this way. Okay? Don't do the mistake. Okay. Then father's name. Look here, I will show you when you will write in your copy. Here is a common mistake you do, like here father's name. So when you will write the father's name, so you must mention this S. Look here, that is the father's name. So what we'll do here? We just write, look here, the father's. So you must mention the apostrophe S. Clear? Then name. Look, I tell you, when we will complete the form, we should follow the colon. It should be straight. Look, here colon should be straight. Clear? So be careful about this one. So father's name here, Tahmid Ahmed. Clear? Okay. Then next point, that is about mother's name. So your mother's name here should be full name. So mother's name, Jarin Sultana. So here you write, look, whatever you write, it should be the straight colon sign. Then next point, address. Here I need to tell you, whatever you write as address, that time, most of the time, you are doing the common mistake. Like address, when you will write address, you write only holding number, road number, sector number, but you didn't write the full. So if you will write only holding number, road number and sector number, but if you will not write the rest of the part, I will not understand it is Uttara, it is outside of Uttara, or Gulshan or Bonani. I will not understand. So whatever, when you will write or fill up the form and write the address, that time you must write the full, like holding number, road number, sector number, after that Uttara, Dhaka. Clear? So I can easily find you. Am I right? So whatever you are doing here, address, you must write or give the full information here. Okay, Baba? Okay. Now, next part. Date of birth. I tell you, when we'll complete the date of birth, that time we write 10th August 2011. Here, most of the time you are doing the mistake. You write only the date, like 10th August. Right? You write sometimes 25th December. So how I will understand this is this year, next year or previous year? How I will understand if you will not write full? So be careful. When you will write the date of birth, we must write 10th August 2011. Clear? I know you are good. You understand easily. Am I right? And you will not do the mistake. Okay, next point. Now, class, So you are the student of class 3. So here you will write only class 3. Clear? Okay. Then date. When you will complete the form, like today I fill up the form. This form, if I fill up today, so I will give today's date. If I will fill up this form after 2 days, so I will give this date after 2 days, whatever that is 18th June, like this way we will fill up. So if your exam during after the 2 month, so that time what you will do? That day, whatever the date, you will give the date over there. Clear? Okay. Now, the next point about our last part, that is signature. So when we will give the signature, you must give the signature full here. Please don't give only the nickname. Here also you give the full name. And another important thing, sometimes you give the sign, try to give the sign like your teacher. Please don't do it. You write the full name. Clear? You are a student, so you can easily fill up this one. Okay? So I think all of you understand it properly, how we will fill up the form from up to bottom. Like first we will start with the caption. Then we will give, look here, I didn't mention here photo because already I discussed how you will do the photo. Just you paste or just you draw the box and there you write PHOTO. That's enough. No need to paste the photo here. Clear? Okay. So the next one. Look, already we discussed about the form fill up, how we will fill up the form. So the second form, look, form fill up 2. Suppose you are Shanta Islam. Here I need to mention here Shanta Islam. Look, here I mentioned the name. So when in the question paper, if you will see, there is the fixed name. That means now you are Shanta Islam. Whatever your name, just forget it. Clear? So if in the question you see there is a name and that is the fixed name, so you will write that name. Clear? Write this name, not your name. Okay. You are a student of class 3. Now you want to get an admission into Alphabet English Language Club. Now fill up the following form. So already I tell you in which we will fill up the form. First here look, already we know the previous one that is about an art competition, but this one is about an Alphabet English Language Club. So here you must start with that topic, like that is first caption, Alphabet English Language Club. Here I need to tell you another important thing. Look, here the first alphabet, it should be capital. Then English, this is also capital, first letter. Language also and club also. So when you will write this one, you must be careful. The caption is like this way: alphabet A is capital, English E is capital, language L is capital, club C is capital. So be careful when you will write in your copy. You must follow in this way. Clear? Then next point about, so whatever you write the caption, it should be nicely. And you will start, look, where we will start? It should be start from middle, not borderline. Look, we will not start here. We will start from there. So when we will write this one, be careful. We will start the caption in the middle of this, like this way. Whatever the form written over there. Clear all of you? Okay. Then the institution name, that is Milestone Preparatory KG School. So in which way they write the format, you also try to write like this way. Then another point I will tell you about the photo. So when we will write the photo, so just write photo here. Just draw a box and write like this way. No need to paste the photo several times, I tell you. Okay. Then come to the name, father's name, mother's name, address. So already I tell about this one, how you will write. Just I repeat here, you need to write the full name, your name full, your parents' names also full here. Full, like this way, Tahmid, Ahmed. Full way you will write. Okay, then come to the address. I tell you, when you will write the address, be careful. You will write the full address. Like first one, I tell you holding number, then road number, then sector number, Uttara, Dhaka. Like this way you will complete. Clear all of you? Then next part, date of birth. So whatever, when we'll write the date of birth, we must write the year also. Clear? Whatever your date, so you will date should be here, and besides the date and month, you should write here the year also. Then nationality. So when we'll write the nationality, I tell you, by born we are Bangladeshi. So our nationality is Bangladeshi. So here we must write Bangladeshi. This is the new point here. In this form, the 2 point is new. That is, the first one is fixed name, Shanta Islam, and another point is nationality. So here we are going to discuss another 2 points, the fixed name that is written in the question, and another is nationality. So when we'll write here, name is whose name? Not your name. Here name should be Shanta Islam. Remember it. And father's name and mother's name, you can tell me, Miss, so if I write the Shanta Islam, so can I write my father's name? Yes, you can write your father's name. If here also written your father's name and mother's name is also fixed, so you also write that name also. Clear all of you? So here your name is Shanta Islam, and here nationality Bangladeshi. Now date, that means if you will do today, so today's date. If you will do after 2 days, so you will give that days. Like this way you will fill up the form. Then last part, that is the signature. Look here, another important thing, when we will write the signature, be careful, signature right side, this portion. So please don't keep the signature here. Signature always it should be in this side. So signature, whatever you will give, that means here whose name? Signature, not your name. Remember it. Here you will give the name Shanta Islam. Signature also. Sometimes you are doing this common mistake. You write the name Shanta Islam, and when you will give the signature, that time by mistake you will give your name. Don't do it. So here is Shanta Islam. That means signature also it will be Shanta Islam, not your one. Clear all of you? So I think all of you understand all the things whatever we are going to discuss today, and I know after my discussion you will do it all the things in proper way. So today our homework. Before going to this homework, at first, okay, you can write the learn plus write, homework number 14, learn plus write, form fill up 2. So when you will do the form fill up 2, I'll tell you in which way we will do. Like first you write the caption properly, then you will write the institution name, and after that you must write all the things in proper way, and the colon sign should be straight. Clear all of you? And we will not do any mistake here. Whatever, when we'll write the spelling address, be careful about the spelling. When you will write the nationality, that times also when you will write, after writing you match with the question, yes, is it okay or not. So if you will complete the form like this way, you inshallah you will never ever do the mistake. Okay, so I hope all of you understand all the things in proper way. Clear all of you? Before going to this one, I tell you another important things. I hope all of you are okay. You will stay in your home before previous time, whatever you are maintain like this way next also. So inshallah we will meet soon.